Different ways of earning money in real estate, or different ways to make money in real estate. Yes, you heard it right. Dear friends, this video is all about different ways you can learn in a practical and easy to implement way where you can start earning from real estate industry. I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer and real estate entrepreneur, and I want to tell you that many people have commented in our YouTube channel on various videos. So please tell different ways where we can make money in the real estate industry, or please tell us about different roles. So in this video, I'll tell you 5 different roles which you can play into the real estate industry, and you can become a very good real estate millionaire, or you can become successful in the real estate industry. Whatever content we are bringing for you is based on a pure research what we have done. 15 years of practical experience of working on my own companies. 6 years of research for my PhD, where we have conducted research on more than 2,000 real estate customers, 200 employees and 50 plus CEOs. And from last 2 years, our entire team is busy with conducting interviews of top 50 CEOs across Asia for our book, Real Estate Game Changers. So by combining all the experiences, we came up with a point where you can start your journey into the real estate industry by playing different roles. So the first and a very important role you can play into the real estate industry and you can earn money is you can become a real estate agent or an advisor. If you don't want to spend too much money and you can start your real estate journey, then this is one of the best options. By becoming a real estate agent or an advisor or a channel partner or a referral partner, in any way you can start your journey, you can start earning from real estate industry by investing very less amount or by investing almost no amount. And if you really want to become a successful real estate agent, then you have to learn the steps to become a real estate agent or an advisor. We have already made a detailed video related with how to become a real estate agent or an advisor and what are the practical steps you have to learn to become a successful real estate agent. So if you really want to become an agent, you have to learn the practical steps which is being required. Then and only then you can start your business and then you can start earning. The basic role of an agent is to promote the product either for a buyer or a seller and to help them in closing the deal, or to help a builder, developer or a marketing agency owner to close the products or in selling the product. Second role what you can play and you can start earning in the real estate industry is by starting a real estate marketing agency. Yes, you heard it right. If you want to play a bigger role, if you want to make more money, and if you are ready to invest at least a small amount to start your business in the real estate industry, then you can start a marketing agency. What a marketing agency does, a marketing agency is a bridge between a client and a builder. A marketing agency is a bridge between a client and a developer. So they help or they act as a catalyst to promote the product into the market. They help in the marketing, they help in the selling, they help in the branding to builders and developers, and then they help them in selling the product with the help of various channel partner, referral partner or an employees. So you can start a marketing agency also, and then you can start making money into the real estate industry. Third important role you can play is you can become a real estate investor. It doesn't matter that whether you want to start with 20 lakhs or 20 crores or 200 crores. If you want to become a real estate investor, then you have to learn an art of investing into the real estate industry. And if you learn this art of investing, if you learn many things about real estate investment, if you learn about legal papers, if you learn about how to check the papers, if you learn about how to invest at a proper place, how to identify the right location, how to identify the right land, then by learning real estate things and by learning various things related with an investor, you can start investing. And you can start designing your product portfolio, a real estate product portfolio, where every year or 2 years, every 2 years you buy a property, then in the 10 years you make 5 to 6 properties, and then you start flipping the properties. If in the last 5 years you got a very good return, then you again sell the property to another buyer and you buy 2 more properties. Then this way you can start your real estate investor business. Fourth point is you can become a real estate developer, where you can buy a big piece of land, you can convert it into a project, a layout, a colony, and then you can start retailing the lands. You can start selling the plots. So for doing this, you have to learn about how to become a developer, what is the real role of a developer, how to increase your team size as a developer, how to generate a lead as a developer, and almost on all the topics we have made videos before this. So you can also earn a big amount in the real estate industry, and you can become a fast millionaire in the real estate industry by starting your business as a real estate developer. But remember one thing, for becoming a real estate investor, you have to invest a bigger amount, a large chunk of amount. Fifth way where you can earn money from the real estate industry is by becoming a real estate builder. You can start with a simple apartment, a 5-flat project, a 10-flat project based on the local surrounding and the local conditions and the terms and the legalities. Or you can start with a big project by investing a bigger amount. You can directly start with a township also or a commercial complex. So it depends. But by becoming a real estate builder, by investing a huge chunk of amount, you can start your real estate business and you can start earning big amount. So these are the 5 different ways in which you can start your real estate journey. There are so many different ways also in an advanced way we teach to our clients, our participants in various concepts or in various training programs and the workshops what we take. Now, to start your basic journey, these were the 5 important things which you can perform anywhere across the world in the real estate industry. And if you feel that you want to know more about these roles, these parts, their working and everything, then you can contact our team members on the below given official numbers. And based on the learnings what you get, you can start your own business. If you want us to make videos on real estate topics, you can comment below. If you feel that this video is very important, practically, you can share the link of the video with your communities, with your groups, with your friends. Thank you so much for liking our videos. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Thank you so much for giving your love and support. We'll meet in the next video.